Hi, I want to talk to you about how you can earn free cash on the internet using a website I know. It's called GRAMFREE. To get on GRAMFREE is very easy. You can do that by clicking the link in the video description below. You sign up on GRAMFREE using your Facebook account or your Gmail account. Once you log in on GRAMFREE after you sign up, the first thing you get is free 10 grams. You can continue earning more grams on a daily basis by signing smart contracts. You'll see it there on the site. You can also earn grams by making free rolls. You can also earn grams by watching videos, 3 videos per day, as well as playing lottery. The lottery can even earn you more chances of earning more grams online. And while you're on gram free, once you keep earning more grams and you've reached up to 500 grams, you're very free to withdraw to any kind of account you are using, whether it's your local bank account or to your Skrill account, to your Bitcoin wallet account, to your PayPal account, any kind of online wallet account you want to withdraw the amount, even through Western Union. You can do that online while on gram free. So I would advise you click on the link in the video description below and start enjoying your free grams on gram free. Have a nice day.